Hello mga kakusina! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're cooking spicy chicken Tinola classic Filipino comfort soup with a spicy twist. Perfect for rainy days or when you want something warm and flavorful. Let's get cooking! First, heat the pan and add cooking oil. Saute the garlic, onion, and ginger until fragrant. Next, add the chicken and cook until it lightly browns. Pour in fish sauce and mix well for extra flavor. Now add water and bring it to a boil. Cover and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is tender. Add the sliced papaya or sayote and cook until slightly soft. Time to make it spicy. Add the green chili and red chili. Finally, add the chili, leaves and let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Season with salt and pepper according to your taste. And there you have it, our spicy chicken Tinola. Hot, comforting, and with just the right kick of spice. Perfect with steamed rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Lutong Bahay recipes. See you next time, Kakasina!